Welcome to Paru Yoga. I am Paru. Today we will practice belly fat reducing yoga and exercises. This is a highly requested video. Thank you Adyant Mama, Radhika Bala and Nazma Blog for requesting this video. Let me talk about some myths of belly fat reduction. Losing belly fat from your body should be considered as a holistic process. You must want it and willing to be consistent each day, and do not calorie count, but try to have an idea of how much calorie burned during a workout. Belly fat not only reduce your confidence but also may contribute to various diseases like diabetes, heart attack, asthma, etc. Also, you must eat healthy and remember to balance your lifestyle. First, one must warm up before doing any yoga or exercise. Check out the link here and always listen to your doctor and your body. Let us start with sit-ups. Find a place or someone to support your legs. If needed, hands are stretched or do as shown. Raise your upper body to touch your knees. If you are unable, then you may do half sit-ups as shown in the left. You may do this for 5 to 10 times and gradually increase. Sarpasana, lie down on your stomach. This naturally relaxes your core muscles. Inhale and exhale. Inhale to slowly lift your upper body and the arms support weight of the upper body. Send your head back as much as possible. Your core muscles are getting pulled. Hold on for a few seconds. Abdominal breathing. Inhale, belly is out and pull your belly in while you exhale. Slowly come back down. Inhale. Slowly out your belly. And exhale in your belly. Do this couple of more times. Come back to the normal position. Both pose, lay on your back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, lift your head, upper body, hands and legs. Level of your head and toes are nearly same. Keep breathing normally. Both pose engages your core muscles very efficient way. I am feeling it. Stay here for 10 to 15 seconds at one time and may gradually increase up to 30 seconds to 1 minute. Exhale and slowly lower down to relax. Variation of Hastapada angustha asana. Lay on your back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale to lift your right leg up stepwise, holding 5 breaths at a time. In the 5th step, your leg is vertical to the floor. Find some motion on your toes. Exhale to slowly lower down your leg. Do the same for next leg. Let us do this for both legs. Beginners may do this for only one leg and then go for both legs afterwards. If you have back pain, then do this only for one leg at a time. Another variation of Hastapada angustha asana. Lay on your back, raise your head and upper body. Use your both hands to bring your right toe and try to touch your nose. Inhale and exhale. Inhale deep and exhale full. Your core muscles and hamstrings are engaged. You may hold on to this for 10 to 15 seconds and gradually increase up to 30 seconds. Slowly release your hands and leg. Change your legs. Release your hands and leg. Let us do this for both legs. Release your hands and leg. Bicycle crunch. Lay down on your back. Hands are on side of your head. Bend your both knees. Send your left knee down. Left elbow tries to touch right knee and right elbow to the left knee. Repeat this for a couple of times and lower down to relax. Final note, be consistent on your regular practice, no matter whether 5 minutes or an hour. You are what you eat, so make sure you do not eat processed and junk foods. Thank you so much. I hope you joined me in this practice. I am also in the process of reducing belly fat. How about you? Please comment below. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.